Hello everyone, my name is Arnav and welcome to my channel. As a part of skill development and role awareness exercise, in today's video, I will be explaining the job role of a supply chain analyst. This role is extremely important in today's business environment where organizations are constantly focusing on efficiency, cost optimization, data-driven decision making. In the globalized and highly competitive market, companies deal with complex supply networks involving suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, distributors, and customers. Managing this entire network efficiently is not possible without proper analysis, and this is where a role of supply chain analyst becomes crucial. A supply chain analyst is a professional who analyze and improve supply chain processes using data, analytical tools, and business knowledge. The primary objective of this role is to ensure that smooth flow of goods, information, and finances from supplier to customers. In simpler words, supply chain analysts help organizations understand what is happening in the supply chain, why it is happening, and how it can be improved. They convert raw data into meaningful insights that support both operational and strategic decisions. One of the most important responsibilities of supply chain analyst is data analysis and interpretation. They collect and analyze large amount of data related of, to sales, demand, inventory levels, procurement activities, and logistic operation. By studying this data, they identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and performance gaps that affect supply chain efficiency. Another key responsibilities in is demand forecasting and planning using historical sales data, seasonality, patterns, market trend, and promotional activities. The analysis predict future demand for product. Accurate demand forecasting is critical because incorrect forecast can lead to excess inventory, high storage cost, or product shortage that impact customer satisfaction. Inventory management. Inventory management is another major area of responsibility. The supply chain analyst determines optimal inventory level by balancing customer requirements with inventory holding cost. The objective is to ensure that the right product is available at right place, at right time, and right quantity without unnecessary overstocking. Supplier performance evaluation is also an important responsibility. Supply chain analysts monitor suppliers based on factors such as lead time, quality, reliability, and cost. This evaluation helps organizations select better suppliers, reduce supply risk, and negotiate improved contracts. Cost analysis and optimization is another key aspect of this role. Supply chain analysts analyze transportation cost, warehouse expenses, procurement cost, and distribution cost. Based on this analysis, they suggest cost saving opportunities while maintaining service quality. In addition to these responsibilities, supply chain analysts play a major role in reporting and decision support. They prepare dashboards, reports, performance summaries that help senior management take informed strategic and operational decisions related to planning, and sourcing and logistics. To perform effectively as a, as a supply chain analyst, a combination of technical and analytical communication skills is required. Technical skills include advanced knowledge of Power, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and familiarity with ERP like SAP or Oracle. Basic knowledge of SQL is also beneficial for handling large data sets. Analytical skills are extremely important in this role. A supply chain analyst must have strong problem solving ability, a logical thinking, and attention to detail. and the ability to interpret complex data. Since decisions are data driven, accuracy and analytical thinking play a critical role. Communication skills are equally important. Supply chain analysts work closely with procurement teams, logistic teams, sales departments, and financial teams. They must be able to explain insights of findings and recommendation to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. In addition, domain knowledge of logistic inventory management, procurement, demand planning is essential to apply analytical tools effectively in real-world business scenarios. At senior level, career paths include supply chain manager, head of operations, and supply chain director. Due to the increase of importance of efficient supply chain, this role is highly in demand across industries and as well as manufacturing, FMCG, retail, e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, and logistic companies. To conclude, the role of supply chain analyst is ideal for individuals who enjoy working with data, solving business problems, and improving operational efficiency. It is a challenge, dynamic, and rewarding career with excellent growth opportunity. Thank you for watching this video.